What a cool little Roadrunner. Looks like the body of it is made with old tennis shoes. There I see some computer parts. Looks like a headlight up there. Something that says Samsung right there. A crutch. Got a bird hanging out on the bird. Anyways, good morning from Las Cruces. This is where I made it last night. I had a very good night's rest over at this very lovely rest stop on the side of the road. This is the eastbound side. And yeah, just looking out over Las Cruces, just makes me wonder how far I will get today. I'm gonna go pick up Claire Bear in a couple days. So basically I have about, I would say, shoot, I don't know, 700 miles, 600 miles. So I gotta go stock up this morning. So let's do that. Let's go do that first. Goodies. I got this new peanut butter powder too. I'm excited to actually to use that for the first time, and swung by for a little haircut. And what I'm gonna do is look on Gas Buddy for the next cheapest place to fill up. That's kind of what I do when I'm on these longer drives, is plan my stops around cheap fuel. It's better to plan for cheap fuel than get stuck somewhere and have to pay way too much money. But if that ever does happen, here's a good tip, is to just fill enough up to get to the next spot where there's, you know, cheaper fuel. Especially on long road trips. You don't need to fill up 55 gallons, 30 gallons at, you know, $1 over the cheapest price. Just put enough to get into the next spot. My heart is full right now. I just had my first Patreon pledge. Richard Bush, thank you very much. I saw it in my email inbox, and I think it was from the other day. I just want to let you guys know that it does really, you know, touch my heart and my soul that random strangers are jumping on on board here and donating to the cause. So thank you all in advance. I really do appreciate it. You know, I just figured out who you are. You're Corona Rich. So thanks, man. It was good hanging out at the RTR. Fantastic meeting you. Thanks again for the book. And yeah, hope to see you again on the road somewhere. Claimed to be $234. I just left her a price. I just reported the price on Gas Buddy, $269. It was claiming to be $239. This is an example of what can happen once in a while. You get some shady, lying, bullshit gas station owner, and they report incorrect prices on Gas Buddy, which gets people like me and other people to stop by thinking that they're going to get a deal. There's even truckers over here fueling up. So it happens once in a while. You got to watch out. So basically all you got to do is just go back and then just kind of zoom out, which it doesn't make sense either, right? All the other prices in the neighborhood are $269. There's really no reason to lie, because even at $269, it's a pretty, I don't want to say a good price, but a pretty low price. So you just zoom out, search this area, see if there's anything cheaper going on here. And it looks like $310. Let's go a little bit further west, because I still got about 150 miles in the tank. $265. So definitely not gonna shop here because they're just shady human beings. So let's see if there is a competitor close by. Looks like there's something around the corner for $2.65. So I'm gonna go to this place here, Murphy, and fill up and continue heading east. But just a heads up, I wanted to warn you about Gas Buddy because it's user submitted. It's not accurate, and people do take advantage of the system occasionally. Occasionally, it's a very rare instance, but when it does happen, make sure to leave a negative review like I did, because that's just not right. This could be super petty, but I just reported that previous Valero at $4 a gallon. Just to mess with them. They mess with me. A little bit of their own medicine. So add that to my advice. If you find some place that's drastically wrong and the reviews say they're lying, just mess with them. Put it $1 more, and you know, I think it's fair. I'm really beginning to like these Texas picnic areas. Although, I haven't really seen anybody taking a picnic over here. Just been parked out for a few hours, enjoying this awesome sunset right now. I'm gonna take some pictures of Danny Avenger Bus, throw it on the gram. Anyways, we got a West Texas icon over here, the oil rig, or I forget. Somebody told me what they were called. Rig, well, something like that. Anyways, we got more driving. Today's not all that exciting vlog-wise. I've just been driving and driving and driving since this morning. Well, besides my haircut. That was probably the most exciting thing today. Well, I may have to retire the shorts. It is in the 30s. Also, I'm eating peanut butter for dinner. It's sticking to the roof of my mouth. No, basically, it was just kind of a drive today. And tomorrow, hopefully, I'll pick up Claire Bear. So, everybody who's been asking for Claire Bear's return will have a pleasant surprise, assuming that the roads will be drivable tomorrow. I guess there was some kind of snowstorm, ice storm that came through, and I had to pull over because the roads were, you know, a little moist, and I couldn't tell how cold it was outside. It was freezing though. Well, not technically like 32. Like, I was freezing my butt off. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.